Anything you visualize simply becomes reality. You visualize only things which will become reality. Authenticity in your thinking. Let me give a precise definition on liberated thinking. Constantly the excited, celebrated, cherished, feeling rich and affluent. In Sanskrit we have the word Sarva Mangala, always auspicious. That experience is what I call liberated thinking. Your very thinking will be constantly moving in the direction where you are feel powerful and moving towards more and more feeling powerful. Feeling powerful, moving towards the space of more and more feeling powerful. You yourself will know the false insecurities you feel in the name of warning, impossible greeds you entertain in the name of creating space. All these you yourself will know clearly from inside. You know what is incompletion. You know how to complete it. Life will move as simple and as smooth. Life will move in a joyous, extremely happy and neither expect now the life is going to be very difficult, nor expect life is going to be easy. Actually, it is going to be blissful. The word easy is too small. The word easy is too small. Don't cherish that word. That word will be broken even if you have one small fight. Don't allow that word. It is going to be very easy, but you have to do it. It's going to be very simple, but you have to do it. It is just simply changing few decisions about you. It is simply changing few decisions about you to you. It is simply changing some of your perceptions. Go on causing your reality and people who are involved in your life, their realities. Go on causing your reality and people who are involved in your life, their reality. So understand Bring authenticity into your thinking, bring integrity into your words, bring responsibility into your feeling, you will automatically be living enlightenment. You will automatically be enriching. You will be living enlightenment. Understand? The biggest enemy you may face in your life is vasanas. Your thinking will go on be fantasizing, you should live enlightenment. Your day-to-day actions will be go on working completely in the opposite direction. Your decisions has to really change. The actions will automatically follow. But decisions getting changed is very important. When the decisions change, life becomes the experience of joy. When the decisions change, actions may not change, but it becomes experiential. Actually, most of the time, it is your decisions which need to change. It is your context which need to change. Most of the time, it is your experience which need to change. So I request all of you, it is neither difficult nor easy, but you have to do it. It is just tuning the instrument. Nothing but tuning the instrument to certain frequency, understand, that's all. How the tuning or changing channel, tuning the channel, neither difficult nor easy, it is a simple technique. Go on tuning your thinking to authenticity. See, is my thinking leading me to the highest, my inner image? Is it leading to highest outer image? Is it leading to the highest life image? Is it leading to highest others image? Just go on and on and on. Always think about your thinking and align your thinking to authenticity. Shraddhavan lapate jnanam. Person who is established in authenticity experiences the true wisdom, enlightenment. Align your thinking to authenticity again and again, live authenticity. Please understand, authenticity will become reality only by living it. Integrity will become reality only by living it. Yesterday I gave you all the initiation of the Vak Siddhi. It will be there with you only as long as you live integrity. If you align yourself again and again to integrity, this Vak Siddhi will continue to be there with you and you can use whenever you want. You can use whenever you want. Please understand, when you respect the words, words honor you. Because words are the expression of consciousness. If you abuse them, they will abuse you. If you honor them, they will honor you. The moment birth is given, a child is an independent intelligence. The moment words are uttered, it becomes independent intelligent. Understand, bring constantly authenticity into your thinking, into your living, because it is living that is going to decide. It is living that is going to decide the effect of the inner awakening in you. Please understand, it is your living that is going to decide the impact of this program on you, effect of this program on you. Either you can make this as a enlightening experience, not just turning point, take off point in your life. I will never say inner awakening is turning point, it is a take-off point. I will use a better word, launching pad. Because you are going to become a star in the cosmos. You are not a flight taking off to land somewhere, no. You are a star launched into the cosmos. But it is your living which is going to decide whether the inner awakening was launching experience or not. Because you have to live, no one else can do that for you. Good, fortunately, you have to live your life. It's with you. Good. Celebrate about it. Don't think, why he himself can do that also. Then what are you going to do? Live, live, live. It is living, living makes the inner awakening as a launching experience. With this, I will move to Kalpataru process. All the participants of Kalpataru in Avattipalayam and in Haridwar, please pick up your paper and pen. Pen down one thought you want to cause as reality and all the incompletions, doubts, impossibilities you have around that thought. Pen down both.